Mommy, I'm really scared Nick's gonna take some of this. Ben, can you take all the trash?
No. I don't really want to.
You can put it in one of these bags. It's right here.
Real high. Oh, fear. Fear high. Fear.
I feel like a woman.
You pour the
Where'd
candy
the
in
Tootsie Roll Pops go, man?
the what pops, these?
Yeah, we're up. There ain't none left?
I thought that you dumped them in the bag when you did.
Here. Stop it. Stop it. That was coming unwrapped. Are you? Hey. You're mean. Mommy's mean. She's videotaping us. What about us, Nelly?
Do you voice line?
Oh, no. What should I do? Oh,
Who is that?
Do you Harry Potter?
no. Harry Potter?
Who's
Do
that?
you Hagrid?
Hermione?
Dear Ron.
What's wrong with that? Harry, why couldn't it be follow the butterflies?